Hey everyone, thank you again for your patience and thank you for watching. So, I finally hired a private investigator. A lot of people have said that this has gone on long enough. A lot of people have said I should just take the L. And a lot of people have said that I should bring Oscar to justice. So, in the next video, I think we're going to have at least one of those three things. I hired Legal Eye, a private investigator out in Bowie, Maryland, and they actually focus on tracking people who have skipped town specifically for child support, refusing to get served papers like Oscar, and things of that nature. So I should, by the end of next week, have his new address, if he is still in the area, and I should be able to serve him the papers that way. Now, unfortunately, the state of Maryland does, through USPS, they will serve papers by certified mail to a new address if they can find it, but if he hasn't taken up residency anywhere or he isn't in the area at all, that might be pretty difficult. So I did file an extension. They are still going to try to serve him by certified mail, but I think the private investigator is the best step for now. But I paid for that all myself. That's not coming out of what I want to give the motorcyclist. I believe his lawsuit is wrapping up. But again, the reason why I haven't given him anything yet, which again, it's all in a savings account, is because if I give him something now, it could affect his settlement, because then a lawyer could argue perhaps that that was an out-of-court settlement and that he won't get anything else. So once that's done, I'm going to reach back out and make sure he's okay, and offer to give him the money from YouTube views, the little bit of Cash App donations I got, and all of that will go to him. Wasn't all that much from YouTube, but it's something. It's at least enough to say, hey man, I'm sorry for what happened, and maybe help him get a few parts for his bike. So that's definitely something he deserves. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one final push, guys. If I can get him to be his address and get him served properly, then I'll do it and I'll see him in court. But if not, I'm going to try those two other processes, which is just having the notice in court, and then that's about it. Well, the certified mail and the service in court, those two things. But if that doesn't work and the private investigator doesn't work, I'm just going to take the L, guys. I want to get back to doing other videos where I actually drive cars and review cars. I don't want to seem like the bad guy here. I just want to get this done with, so I can take care of the motorcyclist in any way I can, which it looks like from what I've heard, and with his insurance and this lawsuit going, he should be doing quite well in the next few weeks. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your patience. Yeah, any advice on what I should do from here, let me know. You've helped me out a lot so far. I'll put the link to an Imgur site that has the pictures of the paperwork I filed through Legal Eye and all of that stuff. I'll have to censor out Oscar's information, but I'll put that in the description, and hopefully that'll give you guys a proper update. But the next update should be the last before I make a major decision, either whether we're going to court, whether I'm just going to take the L, or if you know, something else crazy happens. But it looks like we're finally winding to a close. Thank you guys again for your watching and your patience, and I'll see you in the next one.